Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Welcome to the July 2022 Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone flight video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lam Phang station to the shiny new Bang Su station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Su station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground-level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground-level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town. First up, Heaven is Hua Hin brings us news that the China to Laos train line is now transferring cargo at Vientiane to the Thai side rail lines. This involves offloading and reloading because the tracks are different gauges. Multiple standards and planning ahead are wonderful things, right? The Royal Coast Review tells us the full train upgrade to the Lao border is scheduled to be complete in 2028. Better late than never, guys. The big news was also reported by Heaven is Hua Hin, the National News Bureau of Thailand, and the Voice of America. The Royal Coast Review's Facebook page brings us news of a 100% electric train locomotive from Energy Absolute, a Thai company that's a leader in electric vehicle charging stations around the country. It will arrive soon and undergo testing. I couldn't find any additional information on the power of the motors or the size and range of the battery, but being an EV guy, I will watch for any updates. Next, a video from the Bang Su Grand Station Facebook page shows off the continuing progress of the segments of new construction around the country and how the average speed of passenger and freight trains will be sharply increased. Richard Barrow's Thai Train Guide website says 115 new high-quality sleeper carriages are now being used on 4 routes around Thailand. Interestingly, they were purchased from China in 2016, but are just now being put into use. The article doesn't explain the delay, so if you have any information on that, please put it in the comments. And finally, the National News Bureau of Thailand via ASEAN Now and Heaven is Hua Hin bring the good news that train service between Thailand and Malaysia is open again after a 2-year shutdown due to COVID. Okay, with that, let's get flying. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to feed the algorithm and do all the YouTube things. Take care and see you next time.